Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to reset iPad without Apple ID password 2024. Sometimes you need to reset your iPad without your Apple ID, and this can be done for a whole lot of reasons. For example, you want to wipe your data before donating your iPad. Truth be told, restoring your iPad to factory settings will help turn your device into a new one. The advantage is that you will have enough storage space and your device will perform optimally. On this video, I will show you how to reset your iPad. First of all, please plug your iPad to computer with USB cable. Then go to Tenorshare for UK website. With Tenorshare for UK, you can reset your iPad without Apple ID password easily. Not only that, Tenorshare for UK is all-in-one with a lot of features, such as easily unlock iDevice without passcode. For UK can also help you unlock iPhone without passcode, remove screen time passcode, and bypass MDM from iPhone and iPad. In this case, Tenorshare for UK is one of the convenient tools to help you remove your Apple ID without password in several steps. And it is available on Windows and Mac. Please download and install Tenorshare for UK on your computer. Download for UK on your PC or Mac and then launch it. You'll see the following interface. Select Remove Apple ID. Connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable and unlock your iPhone. Then click Trust in a pop-up window on your iPad. Then download the firmware to remove Apple ID on your iPad. Make sure you have good connection to download it. To make it quick, you can download the firmware manually or import the firmware from local disk if you have downloaded it before. Then click the Start Remove button to remove your Apple ID. A progress bar will be displayed on your PC screen. Please wait. After the removing process is finished, your device will restart. Simply follow the instructions on the screen to activate your iPad. And your iPad has been successfully reset. Please set up your new iPad to activate the iPad. Please follow the instruction until you see a home screen as new iPad. With Tenorshare for UK, you can reset your iPad without Apple ID password easily. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel for more update, and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.